Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome back to SM Educate Chemistry. Today's topic is solution, one of the most interesting concepts from Chapter 2, Matter. Let's begin. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. The word homogeneous means that the composition and properties are uniform throughout the mixture. In a solution, one substance dissolves in another to form a single phase. Every solution has two main components. One keycap solvent, the substance that dissolves another. Two keycap solute, the substance that is dissolved in the solvent. For example, in a sugar solution, water is the solvent and sugar is the solute. Solutions can exist in all three physical states: solid, liquid, and gas. Let's look at some examples of each type. When both solute and solvent are gases, the solution is gaseous. Example: a mixture of oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and other gases. When solute or solvent is liquid, the solution is called a liquid solution. Examples include sugar in water, solid in liquid, alcohol in water, liquid in liquid, carbon dioxide in water, gas in liquid, soft drinks. When both solute and solvent are solids, we get solid solutions. For example, alloys such as brass, copper plus zinc, and steel, iron plus carbon. Solutions have some important characteristics. One keycap, they are homogeneous mixtures. Two keycap, the solute particles are very small and cannot be seen with the naked eye. Three keycap, the solute does not settle down even after standing for a long time. 4 keycap, the solute and solvent cannot be separated by simple filtration. 5 keycap, a solution is stable and remains uniform throughout. We see solutions everywhere in daily life: salt water, sugar water, tea, air, alloys, and soft drinks are all examples of solutions. So students, this was all about solutions, their definition, types, components, and characteristics. In our next video, we'll explore solubility and concentration in more detail. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SM Educate Chemistry.